Yeah, check it. I'm a motherfucker in the hood taking over. I'ma take this shit faster than the freeloader. Saving money ain't in my agenda. I'm a deadly as a blender. Cuddled up.
Just like you
What?
always do.
Can't do this again.
Okay.
No, keep going. I'm just going to the beat.
Yo.
Yo. I'm a motherfucker in the hood taking over. I'ma take this shit faster than the freeloader. Saving money ain't in my agenda. I'm a money spender. I'm as deadly as a blender. Crush people's brains to cover my scent and leave the remains to let them know I ran into the darkness where Shoma and the demon. You will catch me in the eye. You'll be fucking screaming so shout. Cause I'm just about to show you what is up, a fucking razor in your cut, a shotgun to your nut, a fucking Uzi in your face, a fucking sniper in your window while a home invade your place. I'll steal your family photo cause I'm fucked in the head. I'll return it to your mama when your family's fucking dead. You can run and hide, but guns will fucking spread, and if I catch you on your slip, I'll fucking pump your brain with lead.
Okay, was that me in that picture?
This one?
Yeah, me and Joel
No.
fucking.
This is me, Evan, Daniel.
Oh, okay. I wasn't there then. I was pretty sure that was when,
Oh, here. How much time you got left on that?
about like fucking half an hour.
Okay, we'll record this one. This one's nutters. Yeah. Gotta wait for a couple bars to go through, but you know how it goes.
It took forever to make drinks.
Yeah. Nobody can understand the power from the madman. Mad lyrical machine, I'm coming as the last man. And yes, motherfucker, I am the madman. I know I'm gonna be the motherfucker who last stands. I know I'm the guy who drops bombs on every side. I know I give mad respect to MCs who have died. I know everybody on the earth has tried and tried, but every motherfucker has bottles up in line, but no one has ever tried to cross the honesty side. Try to hit a certain point, just try to get by. Nobody could be a soldier like me. You just wish you could see my set of realities. Wanna know what goes on in my fucked up mind? What goes wrong and why I fall behind? I live to die, and I'm just waiting on the day when my enemies finally come out and try to slay. Well, let me explain the price you're gonna pay. I will slice you up and serve you on a motherfucking tray. You'll be banished from our hood. You'll be banished from fucking good. Try to come back if you really think you could. Nobody can understand the power from the madman. Mad lyrical machine, I'm coming as the last man. And yes, motherfucker, I am the madman. I know I'm gonna be the motherfucker who last stands. I hope you know, regardless, I'm heartless. When I finish this, you're gonna wish you didn't start it. All I'm here to do is make a fucking statement. If you shut me out, I'll fucking make it too plain. Run before hoes, chase before dicks. Hard to deal with, but I got a bag full of tricks. Been there, done that, first to last to first. I'll always get sick and never get worse. The path I chose is what I'm sticking to. You never get me up with stuff like crazy glue. Unfortunately, you ain't an MC. Unfortunately, you will never be me. Unfortunately, you wish you could see past reality, but it's a real challenge, G. Nobody can understand the power from the madman. Mad lyrical machine, I'm coming as the last man. And yes, motherfucker, I am the madman. I know I'm gonna be the motherfucker who last stands.
Yeah. Is that the chorus?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Mad pack of savages, mad pack of savages, mad pack of savages, mad pack of savages.